Good evening, everybody. I hope you can hear me. I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, very clearly, doctor. Very clearly. Yeah, we can.
Sir, we can hear you, sir. We can hear you.
We can hear you, sir.
Thank you. Rotarian Sanjeev Rai Mehra ji, District Governor of the Rotary International District 3011. Kuljit Popli ji, the outgoing president of the Delhi Central Rotary District. Dr. Ganesh Mani ji, Dr. Manju Mani ji, our dear Ranjan Dhingra ji, all Rotarians are dear. Anup Mittal ji, Sanjay Agrawal ji, Dr. N. Subramaniam ji, Dr. Lalita Subramaniam ji, Vineet Sood ji, Padmani Parmeswaran ji, Mohit Luthra ji, and also I could hear that we have the presence of the district governor elect Anup Mittal ji, Ashok Kantur ji, the district governor nominee, and also the past district governor, immediate past district governor Suresh Bhatia ji, and also Vinod Gupta. And I know there must be very distinguished other Rotarians present in this very august gathering. I am so happy to be present here this evening with all of you, and especially at the installation ceremony of my dear friend and professional colleague, of course senior to me in the profession by almost a decade, Dr. Ganesh Mani ji, one of the leading cardiothoracic surgeons of the country, who has been bestowed with Padam Shri by our past President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee ji, also for doing an exemplary job and for the recognition of his 20,000 cardiac surgeries that he did for India, and after having pioneered the beating heart surgeries. Dear Rotarian friends, I may tell you that my association with Dr. Ganesh Mani is 3 years older than my association with Rotary International. Some 30 years back, I was searching for the best cardiothoracic surgeon in the capital to get my father operated for a cardiac bypass surgery, and my search for a good cardiothoracic surgeon. There were many cardiothoracic surgeons, but I was looking for one who was also a compassionate, good human being, also very well behaved, very down to earth, and also very committed to the noble cause. So ultimately, I zeroed into Dr. Ganesh Mani and got my father operated from him in the year 1990 at Batra Hospital, New Delhi. So that was my first introduction with him, and since then I have seen him working relentlessly, selflessly, sincerely, committedly, following all the ethics of the profession, and has helped, as I said, thousands of people get rid of their cardiac diseases. 20,000 surgeries is not a small number, and almost 100 free surgeries for poor children. That is also, I think, very, very significant under the Gift of Life mission of Rotary. I know he has operated upon many, many senior VIPs during the course of the last many years. I have also referred many VIPs to him, and everybody comes back thanking me more than Dr. Ganesh Mani that you have referred us to the nicest doctor, to the most capable surgeon, and that is what Dr. Ganesh Mani for me is. I fondly remember he operated upon our most respected leader Rajmata Vijayaraje Scindia ji, the metro man of India, and of course the person who will always be considered as one of the greatest assets for Delhi in particular. We will never forget him, Mr. E. Sridharan, and many other people. We have seen him operating all these people, and he operates even the poorest of the poor with the same dedication and same commitment, and looks after them quite well even after their surgeries. So for him, a VIP or a poor man, everybody is a patient, and he is committed to the service of the patient in the most dedicated manner. As I said that my association with the Rotary dates back to 1994, and people like Ranjan Dhingra and many, many others in the Rotary are my dear friends since then. I fondly remember people like the late O.P. Vash ji, the late Sudarshan Agarwal ji, who were instrumental in my initial association with Rotary when I was the Health Minister of Delhi, when I had conceived the Pulse Polio program, and when I was working for its success and trying to mobilize everybody in Delhi around it. I got to meet accidentally Mr. Sudarshan Agarwal one day, and that is how my association with Rotary started. As far as I can understand, all of you, even this club was also part of the Rotary District 3010 at that time, which used to extend up to Faridabad, and the then District Governor Rotarian Mr. Bidani used to belong to Faridabad. Because this club is not unfamiliar to me, I think that this district, probably 3011, might have been carved out of that figure 3010, and many of the faces that I see or many of the names that I hear in this particular club, I am familiar with many of them in the past also. So it's always a very, very great moment for me whenever I am with Rotarians around. The association that started in 1994 with wholehearted commitment and support from Rotarians day in and day out. It may not be the right moment to, because if I talk about 1994 and my association with Rotarians, this will be a long story which can go on for hours and hours. But that is certainly one of the most precious treasures that I possess. And I know that Rotary's contribution to the polio eradication movement of India, and more particularly to the difficult time in 1994, when we had first planned about it, dreamt about it, and when we were plagued by plague at that time, just before our 2nd of October 1994. But for the great contribution of Rotarians, I still remember that I never expected, but all the Rotarians early in the morning ensured that from the 41 regional vaccine stores, they will get up early in the morning, or maybe you can say late in the midnight, get into their cars, go to the regional vaccine store, pick up the vaccine carriers with the polio vaccine at minus 20 degrees centigrade, and deliver it before 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at the 4,000 polio kendras that we had created all over the city. I always tell this, that I always considered earlier to that Rotarians as people who are well-to-do people with lavish style of living, who enjoy their evenings in the hotels, have their functions in 5 stars, like that. And I was not really sure when Rotary had taken this responsibility of transporting those vaccine carriers to 4,000 places. And at that time, it was through 400 Rotary vehicles. But to make sure that there is no lacunae in the whole program, which might erupt because of the fact that some Rotarians might keep sleeping, I had alternatively arranged for 400 vehicles in the government system also. But to my utmost happiness and satisfaction, and of course surprise at that stage, because now I can't say that because I know Rotary far more than what I knew 25 years back, 27 years back. There was not a single instance in Delhi where the Rotarians failed us. And that is, I think, the great strength that you all possess. And I remember having witnessed your 100 years celebration in Kolkata under the leadership of the present International President Sushil ji, where a few thousand Rotarians had collected. That was, I think, a couple of months back, maybe last year towards the end, when India's Rotary movement completed 100 years. So it has been a long association with Rotary. I know the contribution that you have made to the polio eradication movement of the whole world. It's not only supporting the movement physically, not only ensuring that the true drops of vaccine enter into the mouth of the millions of children, but also contributing liberally. It's almost $1 billion rupees that have been contributed by Rotary as far as I know. And on behalf of my Prime Minister, I would love to express our gratitude to the Rotarians for supporting the fight against COVID with almost donations and other equipments, etc., worth 200 crores of rupees. I am familiar with many other movements that have been initiated by Rotary in the recent years, and I have been witness to the birth of those movements. I can always remember very fondly and with lot of respect the contribution of Sudarshan Agrawalji along with his colleague Rotarians when you all created the Rotary Blood Bank near the Batra Hospital. I was witness to its development, its dream, its creation, and then its smooth running. All your programs regarding water, sanitation, etc. I have been partner in some of the schools that have been helped in my own constituency also. And it's not only about these issues, there are many other issues on which almost everything that needs to be, whether it is literacy, whether it is blindness, whether it is cancer control, your enthusiasm doesn't wane. You all keep working. And just now Ganesh Maniji was also saying that he cannot match the capabilities of Mr. Popley. I know Mr. Popley has done a great job, and most of the tenure of Mr. Popley has been during the difficult times of COVID. Difficult times are still there, but I know the way people have responded, the way our doctors have responded, the way professionals like Dr. Ganesh Mani and all other health professionals and social organizations and well-meaning people like Rotarians have responded to this COVID menace. We have been able to do quite well as compared to the rest of the world. In a country of 1.35 billion people, we still on all the parameters are the lowest in the world. Out of the 8 lakh cases, 5 lakh patients have returned home. Rest of them are on road to recovery. We have the least mortality rate at 2.70, and we have the highest recovery rate at 62.8% or so. And our number of cases and number of deaths per million are the least in the whole world. It is all because of the extensive contribution of not only the efforts of the government, but the contribution and the support of well-meaning people in the society and well-meaning organizations. During these COVID times, I had the privilege to talk online like this with almost 92,000 organizations in the country at a time. All of them were dedicated to one particular cause. They ensured that every poor man got food without any bottlenecks or without any complications during the difficult times. Under the leadership of our Prime Minister, we have also taken care of the poorest of the poor people in the best possible way. You know all about the various economic schemes and packages that he launched, and also ensured that almost 800 million out of the 1.35 billion were provided free food and ration during the whole COVID time, and they have been assured that for the next 6 months or so. But we received exemplary support from the society, as I mentioned, and of course from the Rotary also for the PM Cares Fund, etc., etc. So it's a great moment for me, as I said, association with Rotary in any form, because all the memories that I have of my association with Rotary of the last 25, 26 years are all very, very pleasant moments. Our dear friend Ranjan Dhingra mentioned about the Polio Eradication Champion Award. I always fondly remember that award which was given to me by the Rotary Foundation, and I can never forget that Rotarians in Delhi contributed 2 times to get me the Paul Harris Fellowship also. So it's a great association, and as I said earlier, it's a great treasure for me. I can only promise all of you that we'll continue to work together. I can assure you on behalf of Mr. Dr. Ganesh Mani that he is an exemplary person who has extraordinary abilities, extraordinary compassion, sincerity, dedication, and he will certainly live up to your expectations. And I know that he has a potential to create a sort of records by his working, which may be difficult for future presidents to beat. This is what I pray for him, this is what I wish him. And once again, I thank all of you for the invitation that you have extended to me, and more particularly Dr. Ganesh Mani, Ranjan Dhingra ji. I am really grateful that you gave me this opportunity of spending this quality time with all of you Rotarian friends, ladies, and all the, I don't know whether we have the young Rotaractors and Interactors here or not, but all my good wishes and all my prayers to God for your good health. May you all keep yourself and your families and your friends protected from Corona. I am sure that these COVID times will be over very soon, and we shall be able to meet physically once again in a good Rotary meeting in the near future. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Once again, wishing you all the best.